Hey guys, so like I promised, I tried to record while I was doing the snowflake so I could show how I did it, because it's a really easy snowflake, one of the easiest ones you can find on the internet. As you can see, the camera isn't really focusing and you can't really see what I'm doing, but I'm trying to do the outline of a snowflake that I found on the internet. I'm going to put it up here in a screenshot in a second. Since you can't really see it well, I wasn't going to put up this video, but at least you can see that I did. So I used an orange wooden stick because I've ordered some nail art pens, but they still haven't arrived. And you want to make sure that the gel is thick. So I used a base gel that's a little bit thicker, the no white base gel. Then after I'm done outlining the whole snowflake, once it was cured, I don't remove the sticky layer. And I pressed some pearl chrome into it. Once I've pressed in the pearl chrome, I went over it again with the same gel. I cured it, and this is how it turned out. I did use as a base a no white matte top coat, and I hope you guys enjoyed the result. Thank you so much for watching.